Hey guys, I hope that you're doing well. My name is Selim and I wanted to make a video today on how to find SMMA clients. All right, so how to find SMMA clients. This is the struggle, I think, of any beginners, all right, in social media marketing. Because this is hard, right? And nobody is telling it that finding client is hard. Um, like you need the first thing that I think you should do is outreaching. All right, you need to meet as many people as possible, and also the first thing is to know like who to meet, right? You can't meet everybody. You can't meet I mean, you can do it, but it won't be successful. For example, if you are meeting a lawyer and then your next meeting is a dentist and your next meeting is another business owner, you will be lost even yourself. So I really recommend you, if you want to find client, the first thing that you need to do is, of course, to focus on one niche. All right. So if you want to get dentist clients, all right, this is starting to be a little bit saturated. You need to be creative, all right, to find niches, new niches, all right, that because of course gyms, dentists, again, you can find them if you're good at sales, if you are outreaching, if you are calling them, and and building a great interest, they will agree to meet you. But the thing is that first you need to focus on a niche, and then you need to generate meetings with that niche. All right. So focus on one niche and generate meetings with that niche. That's how you can get SMMA clients. And if you can't get SMMA clients, it's because you didn't generate enough meetings. So you don't know how to generate meetings, and that must be your focus. All right. When you start an agency, you need a constant flow of meetings. All right. You need to meet new companies. You need to meet new teams of people. You need to meet you need to meet people. Like, that's my point. You need to know who got the money. Who got your money. And this is from Grant Cardone, who got your money, but this is true, who got your money. And once you identified who got your money, just meet them and offer them your service in exchange of their money. All right. And again, I will make a video on how to sell, but my biggest point is, even if you don't know how to sell, just get 100, meet 100 people. I guarantee you that 10 of them will become your clients, or maybe 5 of them, but even 5 of them, it's good. All right. Under 3 months, meet 100 people. That's your challenge. Meet 100 people. I know it's hard, but what can you do? You need to meet as many people as possible if you want to close clients. So the only focus for the next 3 months, if you don't have any clients, your only focus should be, how can I generate meetings? This week, all right, how much meetings do you want? Today, how much meetings can you generate? If you want 10 meetings this week, you need to generate 2 meetings per day, all right, if you're working 5 days per week. And now this is how you get clients. Don't focus on making money. Don't focus on the money. Don't focus on closing clients. Just focus on generating meetings. For any kind of business, if you want to close, you need to meet. All right. Even if you don't know how to sell, just meeting people will make you close them, because people, when they need what you have, even if you don't know how to sell, they will take it. All right. But after, you need to be professional, and you need to be an expert. You need to explain that to them in a way that makes sense. All right. But how to find clients is really about conducting meetings and closing them. And this is a point that a lot of agency owners are struggling with. They are struggling to meet people. So they are like, oh damn, SMMA is so hard. I didn't close any client in 3 months. Yeah, but how many people did you meet in 3 months? If it's just one, of course, if you just focused on building a website, on building a funnel, building your onboarding process, of course you won't close anybody. All right. Now, I don't get me wrong. I don't say that you shouldn't be focused on on your processes. Of course, as an agency owner, Your job is to focus on processes and also to focus on sales, but that's it. And during the day, when your clients are awake, the only thing that you should be doing is emails and cold call, and also LinkedIn outreach. All right, that's the only thing that you should be doing, or sending Loom video. Whatever your outreach strategy, that's what you need to do during the day. If you don't have any meetings, just look at your calendar. If it's void, if you see void, if it's empty, this is a devil. So what you need to do is to outreach as many people as possible so that your calendar is always full. You want a full calendar with your potential, with your target niche, all right? And even if you don't know how to sell, you will be closing because people will need what you have, all right? Now, why you need to know how to sell and why I will make a video about it is that you need to know how to price your service. You need to know how to explain. You need to know how to create emotions, how to build a relationship, how to find a problem, how to solve that problem. This is selling, all right? So I will make a video about it, guys. Don't worry. And yeah, that's my point for today. Like, just, if you want to find clients, conduct meetings and close them. Have a full pipeline. Your calendar must not be empty. It must always be full, all right? So if you want mentoring, I can help you to start and grow your own social media marketing agency. So just DM me on Instagram and we will see what we can do from here. I've done a 1-hour free training also. You can find the link in the description. So take care, guys, and I will see you in another video.